The latest patch to QFD will improve both the claim intake process and back-office workflow for ACH disputes. In this video, we'll take a look at the changes and enhancements available with patch 2304. My name is Aafie Summers, and I'm the technical trainer here at Quavo. We'll first review changes and additions to the intake questionnaire. When enabled, internal users will be presented with a question following the account selection screen. This question helps identify the claim intake method. The response defaults to inbound call, and note that both the inbound and outbound call options will ask a follow-up question regarding a fraud alert. The unauthorized questionnaire includes a new question that helps to establish a prior history with the merchant. If answered yes, a follow-up question will be presented to determine whether the disputed transaction is truly unauthorized. If answered yes again, an alert will generate to let the user know that the claim reason will be updated. The new claim reason is revoked. The incorrect questionnaire now includes a fourth option for improperly processed electronic checks. If the SEC code is ARC, BOC, or not present at claim intake, the user will be presented with an additional question to narrow down the applicable reason. The revoked questionnaire has been made more robust through discovery questions, including whether this was a recurring transaction and the date and method of revoking the authorization. Configurable instructions can be enabled for the revoked stop payment scenario. If yes is answered in response to the stop payment request, the user will be presented with customized instructions provided by their firm. If no configurations have been made for revoked stop payments, users will see the verbiage shown here. Let's discuss the advancements and adjustments made to the written statement of unauthorized debit requirements. Verbal attestation is an available setting should clients wish to opt in. Verbal attestation satisfies the WSED requirement through a verbal disclosure instead of a physical document. When enabled and present when the intake channel is set to inbound or outbound call or chat, the user is prompted to read this disclosure to the cardholder. When yes is selected, the confirmation letter will include verbiage that reiterates the verbal disclosure, and the completed WSED form will be included as an attachment. When no is selected, a verbal disclosure advising the need for a completed form will populate, and the incomplete WSED form will be included as an attachment in the confirmation letter. The document requested screen will adjust the verbiage displayed based on the claim intake channel. Non-in-person channel options will present this information. The in-person channel option will present this information. The confirmation letter will adjust the verbiage displayed based on the claim intake channel and whether the cardholder agreed to the verbal attestation. For a full list of scenarios, check out the ACH confirmation letter page in Confluence. We've made improvements to the stop payment component of the intake process. Clients can determine how long the stop payment will be active. Clients can select different time periods based on whether the transaction was non-recurring or recurring. This applies only to revoked claims. That concludes changes made to the ACH claim intake process. Let's cover some of the adjustments that impact the back office. Users can pen the case for good faith where they can request proof of authorization or request to transmit the return. QFD now supports automated returns. Under client-configured criteria, QFD can batch cases that do not need to be manually worked and export the file daily. The file can then be uploaded to an external system for processing. This function has limited availability based on processing infrastructure, so reach out to your Client Success Manager if interested. The latest release includes enhancements and new content that improve the ACH intake process and back-office claim resolution. For more information on the release, check out the patch notes in Confluence. If you have any questions, reach out to your Client Success Manager or me, your technical trainer. Thanks for watching and have a great day.